This is a complete A to Z guide, a step-by-step course on how to start, run and scale a profitable ClickBank campaign and make money from ClickBank. Most online coaches sell the same information for over $300, but I am giving it away all for free. So make sure you watch the video till the end. In this video, we will be covering ClickBank basics and overview, offer selection and promotion techniques that are based on data and experience, keeping 100% of your profit with the free traffic strategies, common mistakes that beginners make which should be avoided, and lastly, working tips on becoming profitable with ClickBank offer. This video is part of our free affiliate marketing mastery course where I show you how to become a pro affiliate marketer without spending thousands of dollars on paid courses. Make sure you click on the I button or the links in the description to watch our entire free course playlist on YouTube. We launch 2 free courses every month on this channel, so make sure you subscribe to get courses worth thousands of dollars for free. Yes, the video is long, that is the reason we have timestamps. Check the video description to jump over a particular section of the video. Also bookmark this video and save it to your watch later list for quick reference. As always, I along with my team have created multiple bonuses for you guys. The first bonus is we will give you case studies of profitable ClickBank campaigns, and the second bonus is we will give you the list of top ClickBank offers that you guys should promote. To get access to all these bonuses, all you have to do is like the video, subscribe to our channel and comment with I am doing ClickBank affiliate marketing because. Once we reach 5,000 likes and comments, I will make the link to all these bonuses public in the video description. So without wasting any time, let's go into our free ClickBank course. 10% of the ad revenue of this video goes towards feeding the needy. Check the link in the description for our Mission No Hunger. And the rest 90% of the revenue helps us to launch many more free courses for you lovely people. So kindly support us. Now, affiliate marketing is a highly profitable field, and this is shown in the stats. Affiliate marketing spending in the US alone is expected to reach $8.2 billion by 2022, and globally it was estimated to be around $13 billion. It has been becoming very popular among product and service-based businesses. 81% of advertisers and 84% of publishers in the US have turned to affiliate marketing. And search interest in affiliate marketing is up over 200% since 2015. All the top affiliate networks have over 100,000 active affiliates. Be it Amazon Associates, ShareASale, Avin, or ClickBank, all of them have over 100,000 active affiliates. And I think the most favorable metric is that 35% of affiliates make at least $20,000 in annual revenue from their affiliate marketing efforts. It's not like that with affiliate marketing, you'll only be making $1,000 or $2,000 extra over the year. If you do it right, you'll be able to make much more money. So guys, let's start with what ClickBank is. So ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace. What this means is that it's a broker. It's a broker between people who want to sell a product or a service and people who want to promote it as an affiliate and make a commission. As you can see, you can also become a seller. For example, let's say you're a guitarist and you have a course on how to learn guitar in, let's say, 90 days. You have your audience, you have been promoting it, but you want your course to be promoted to millions of people. Then you can register on ClickBank, and then it will be available to all the promoters and all the affiliates who can then see your course in their directory and then choose to promote it or not. Similarly, you can make money as an affiliate. We already have multiple videos on affiliate marketing. If you have not seen them, I will recommend you guys to watch our entire courses on the channel itself. In short, an affiliate is a person who promotes other people's product and services and make a commission in return. In this tutorial, we'll be teaching you how to become an affiliate on ClickBank and make money. ClickBank has been fairly popular among affiliate marketers. As we can see the traffic here, we are using the similar web Chrome extension. The website is driving 3.4 million visitors per month, and the traffic has been steady. And most of the traffic is coming from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, India. So primarily developed countries. Since the website is more an affiliate marketplace, most of the traffic is direct in nature. So ClickBank is not the only affiliate marketplace on the internet. There are many other companies who come in the affiliate network. ShareASale is another very popular affiliate network on the internet. As you can see the traffic here of ShareASale, it is driving 5 million visitors. Similarly, another very popular affiliate network is Commission Junction. The website is driving 1.4 million visitors per month, so it's fairly popular. I'm promoting many products on Commission Junction and ShareASale as well. Since this tutorial is about ClickBank, let's talk more about it. I was doing ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2017 and 18, and I made some decent money on this platform. But lately I have stopped promoting products on ClickBank. It has been my personal decision. I have seen the quality of products and services being listed on ClickBank are not that great. The website is rated 4.7 out of 5 with 1500 plus reviews on Trustpilot. Let's click here and see the reviews of this network. So they have fairly good reviews on Trustpilot. Excellent service, very smooth process, assessment. Okay, so people seem to like this network. Looking at the stats, it's available in 200 plus countries over 20 years. So it's not a new affiliate network. Rather, they have been in the industry for many years now. And with $4.2 billion paid for as affiliate commission. So let me tell you how to sign up and then find the right product to promote. So click on the sign up button here. ClickBank is available in most of the countries. It is also available in multiple languages. You can complete the sign up process easily. It's 100% free to join. If you're a newbie in the industry, I will recommend you guys to watch the video. I won't go through the sign up process. It's fairly straightforward. You can create an account here, accept the terms and condition, and then click join ClickBank to create an account. I already have an account with ClickBank, so I'll be logging in. So this is how the dashboard of ClickBank looks like. So you will see this message, thank you for your interest in joining ClickBank. You have to complete your profile. If you complete your account but somehow the account is not approved or disabled, then the primary reason could be either your country is not supported or ClickBank doesn't allow affiliates from your country. So what you can do is you can shoot them an email giving your identity, your passport or any other identity which proves your name and also your reason to join. That is one way I've seen that has worked for account approvals. So once you have created your account, this is the screen that you will get. Here are all the options. You have to click here, affiliate marketplace. All these options can be browsed by you yourself. There's just basic information about you. You can fill in all the details, but the more important area is the affiliate marketplace. Let's click here. This is the place where you will find all the offers that you can promote on ClickBank. They have hundreds and thousands of products, and every product is sorted in various categories, be it arts and entertainment as seen on TV, betting, cooking, e-business, education, fiction, games. There are many categories. One recommendation I can give you is choose a product to promote which you yourself are passionate about. I've seen many of the affiliates get attracted by the commission structure. If a product is offering higher commission, they start promoting it without having the enthusiasm or be able to relate to the customer. See, in the end, you have to understand you're creating a funnel. You have to put yourself in the shoes of the customer. Only then you'll be able to understand the pain point, and only then you'll be able to create a funnel which is highly converting. If you're not sure what I mean by funnel, then I'll highly recommend you guys to watch my free affiliate marketing and free digital marketing course. Anyways, if you're thinking of promoting any product on ClickBank, then you'll have to watch our digital marketing and affiliate marketing course to get the maximum ROI of your investment. Because promoting the products on ClickBank is not that easy. You can't just copy a link and start promoting it. You need a proper strategy. And for that, you need to learn the fundamentals, the concepts behind marketing. And that is what we have covered in both our courses. So let's see various other offers. Here I have clicked on business and investing. Let's see all the offers available. So here you have multiple filters. Here you can sort the results by rank or low to high or high to low. Then you have 195 offers available. On the left side, you again have various filters: gravity, average dollar per conversion, initial dollar per conversion, etc., etc. Also the required languages, required billing types, and here you can again change the category. So let me tell you the meaning of all these metrics. Let's take the case of this one. Here you can see the name of the offer is Forex Trendy, the real solution FX traders want. The average dollar per conversion is 165.52. This is the average commission you will be getting. Also the initial dollar per conversion, because we are talking about a funnel, so funnel has various steps. First is the initial offer, then there's upsell, there are downsell, there are recurring, there are membership, there are online courses there. So funnel sells to the customer in multiple ways, not just the initial offer. So the average initial amount that you can earn is $25.77 for this offer. Many offers also have recurring billing in the form of membership, or if it's a SaaS software, then it has monthly membership, and then you are able to receive a monthly recurring affiliate commission. So for this offer, you can also earn a monthly recurring revenue of $25.18. Gravity is more like the popularity and the conversion metric for ClickBank. Higher the gravity means that more and more marketers are promoting this particular product or service. Generally, in my experience, I have seen that the gravity of 80 and above or even 100 and above is recommended. You can see the affiliate page by clicking here. So this is the affiliate area. This is for your own benefit. This will most probably answer all the questions that you have regarding the offer as an affiliate. So you can see that they are offering 75% commission rate. The initial sale is $37, then $37 for every 3 months, and you will be getting $75 for each sale and 75% of each rebill. I recommend the recurring billing solutions because you don't just make money in the initial offer, but it also gives you a nice passive income month on month without actually promoting the product. So I'm a huge fan of any affiliate program which offers recurring billing, because let's say if I am promoting something for 3 months and I want to take a break for a few months, I don't want to work, but that means my income won't stop because I'll keep on getting the recurring billing. You can add your ClickBank ID here and get the affiliate link. Here is your affiliate link. Whenever you are promoting any affiliate product, then you have to make sure the URL that you are promoting looks good. Instead of a very long gibberish looking URL, you should always use the URL which is very easy to read, pleasing to the eyes. As you guys know, I love SEMrush. This is the best SEO software out there in the market. I've been using SEMrush for multiple years and it has really benefited me along with my company. If you check my SEMrush review, these are all affiliate links. I have a special partnership with them for a 14-day trial. And if I copy the link here and paste the URL here, you'll see that it's not a very long gibberish looking URL. Rather, it's a very clean looking URL where I have my domain name and recommendation that I recommended and SEMrush why it is best. So would you like to promote a URL which is clean and good looking like this, or something which is very long, which has ClickBank in the domain name and some other gibberish text? So to create clean looking URLs, you need to use a tool. The tool I use is Thirsty Affiliate. So go to my tools section, scroll down. In the blogging related tools section, you'll find Thirsty Affiliates. This tool has been really beneficial. I've been using the same tool on all my affiliate websites. With Thirsty Affiliates, you get multiple benefits, not just clean looking URLs. As the benefit says, you can cloak the long ugly affiliate links. And it also helps you in protecting your commission. Many people just add their affiliate ID in your links and start promoting it. And also it gives you a clean interface. And not just that, it gives you an entire amazing reports, like how many people clicked on the links, which particular page or promotion strategy is giving you the best results, whether the link is working or not. If the link is not working, you'll also get a notification, because many times you'll find that even if you're running paid campaigns, you might be spending money for the promotion of your affiliate links. But if the link is not working, then your budget is getting wasted and all the money that you're spending is not giving you the ROI. So there are multiple benefits you get with link cloaking. So you can use Thirsty Affiliates for promoting your ClickBank URLs. This will really help you in increasing the conversion rate. Even minutely, like 5 to 10% will really help you in scaling the revenue. Once you install Thirsty Affiliates, you'll install it as a plugin in your WordPress dashboard. So you'll find Thirsty Affiliates here and you can create new affiliate links. I already have a link created. So I use and recommend HubStaff. HubStaff is a freelance management software. It's a time tracking software. Since I have a team of freelancers, I need to manage them. I need to know whether they are working efficiently or not. So I use HubStaff software for that. And I also recommend HubStaff to all the viewers of my channel. Here you can see the affiliate URL is not good looking. It has ssqt.co. So no one would be willing to click on such affiliate URL. But the URL that I am promoting is marketersfeed.com recommends HubStaff. So you can see for yourself how easy and good looking the URL becomes. Then you also get different reports, how many people clicked on it, what was the geography of the people who were clicking on it, and multiple other reports. So if I copy and open the link, the same affiliate link gets opened. So that's the benefit of Thirsty Affiliates. So this is the landing page of this particular offer. So they have the logo, they have this headline, reduce unnecessary losses and increase your odds of winning with this one easy tool. Forex Trendy scans all the currency pairs on all time, frames the best trend for you. So this is the video which will be converting the people visiting this page into customers. If you're a newbie affiliate marketer, then I'll highly recommend you guys to look at all the landing pages of these offers. This will give you a lot of insights in terms of how a marketer thinks. Let's talk more about this landing page. Honestly, I don't like the logo that much. The branding could have been done much better. Even the colors looks a little old school. Here they're telling about the members area, good bullet points. They must have already hired a copywriter to write all these points so that the conversions are higher. Watch a video on how it works, so that's good. And also, as you can see, it's written click to play. Even small things like this can increase the conversion rate. Since I don't know much about Forex, so most of it is not what I will understand, but I'm just talking more about the general points of how a landing page should be. So they have the risk disclaimer, which is a must have for a landing page, add to cart, 60-day money back guarantee. So overall a decent landing page. I won't say the best, but it must be converting. So since the gravity is low, that means not many marketers are promoting it. Okay, let's check some other category. Let's go into the self-help category. Let's check this offer, his secret obsession, incredible conversions for female cold traffic. The average dollar per conversion is 52.22. They don't have a recurring billing, but will be making money in the initial offer itself. Also, they have the email of the affiliate support contact. One recommendation I can give you if you're a beginner affiliate marketer is that your affiliate manager is your best friend when it comes to getting more conversions out of your funnel. I realized this many years later in my career when I started affiliate marketing. Whenever I am thinking of promoting a product, the first thing I do is contact the affiliate manager. They have listed the email ID here, but most of the affiliate managers are available on Skype. So you can email them, introduce yourself, tell them about your strategy, and then ask more questions about the offer. An affiliate manager is managing multiple affiliates. So they have the insights from all these affiliates, like which type of traffic is converting the best, which kind of landing page is converting, what kind of copy is converting, what are the best tips and tricks that you should implement to get a higher conversion for your offer. So that was on the side note. Since you can see the gravity of this particular offer is 161, which is on the higher side, which I recommend. So that means a lot of marketers are showing interest in this particular offer. Let's check the affiliate page of this product. His secret obsession. It's seen some kind of a guide or a course for females. Here you can see the funnel here. So there's the initial offer where you'll be getting the commission. Then there are upselling. There are 3 upsells. There are 2 downsells. So definitely this funnel has been created by an experienced marketer. So they know their stuff. The funnel has been extensively tested on both warm and cold traffic. So cold traffic are the ones who have never ever seen anything related to the offer. And warm audience are the ones who might have seen the landing page or who might have seen the ad. So they are familiar with the offer. So this offer is primarily only for female traffic because the offer is about females who don't have a perfect relationship. So affiliate promotion tools. So these are the various tools this offer is giving you for the promotions. You get email swipes, although I don't recommend email swipes. I recommend writing your own email copy because if hundreds of other marketers are using the same email templates, then your conversions will drop. High converting pre-sale articles, those are good. Landing pages are extremely important whenever we talk about a funnel. So you can also create your own landing page, social media images, buyer demographics and details and other stuff. If you are an affiliate and thinking about promoting a program, this page is extremely important for you. You need to understand what the offer is, how much commission you'll be making, what kind of traffic is working, what kind of tools program is offering you. And here is the email of your marketing manager, affiliates@beirresistible.com. So if you're thinking of promoting this offer, always email the affiliate managers. They will be giving you the inside information, and the best way to connect with them is through Skype. Once you enter your email ID, you can see the affiliate link. You can see here you can grab the affiliate link. Let's check the landing page of this offer. So this is the landing page, be irresistible. Make sure your sound is turned on. And so it's a video sales letter. So the traffic that is coming onto this website, they'll be shown this video. And after a few minutes, a button will start showing here, which the visitors can click to buy this program or the book or the course, whatever they are selling. Here you can see the moment I was about to close this particular tab, there was an exit pop-up. If you have seen my email marketing course, in that I show you that having an exit pop-up really helps you in increasing the conversions. Hold on, don't leave this page. Show me the attraction secrets. So they are giving all these secrets, and once I click get my attraction secret, then there is some kind of a quiz. I think after I complete all these options, then I'll be redirected to a checkout page or somewhere that I'll be making the payment. Let's check another category, which is health and fitness. Health and fitness has seen a boom in the last few years, especially with different types of diets and the obesity increasing throughout the world. A lot of programs have come in the fitness space. Here, I have sorted the results according to gravity, high to low, so that we are only looking at the products which are actually working and the products that other marketers are promoting. Let's look at custom keto diet. Let's look at the affiliates page. Here you have to enter your name and email to access the affiliate tools. I'll do that now. So these are all the tools that are provided to all the affiliates. You can create your affiliate links here. Let's look at the landing page of this particular program. Here's the standard link, straight to the keto quiz. So they have variety of landing pages. There's a keto quiz. There's also a $1 7-day trial, $1 7-day trial, then built for $37. So there are various affiliate links that you can promote. Let's look at the landing page. The landing page looks nice, decent, and clean, and very cluttered. This landing page looks very nicely built. It looks decent. The CTA is very big and is in contrast. The logo looks nice. Overall, the landing page is decent. It's a video sales letter. Also, the thumbnail is something that is enticing you to click. Also, if you're a beginner in affiliate marketing, I'll recommend you guys to go through all these different offers on ClickBank and check all these landing pages, because these landing pages are designed by some really experienced marketers. And don't look at the offer, whether the offer is shady, whether the offer is good or bad. Rather, only look at the marketing angle, the copy they have used, how they are presenting the offer, the emotion they are trying to touch, the pain point they are trying to touch of the customer, because that's how you get the conversion. You can see here, if the person is not looking to watch the video, they can click here to read. This is also a very good tactic to increase the conversions on your page. Get your custom keto diet. Let's click here. Then you move on to the custom keto diet quiz. So in the marketing world, it has seen that whenever you put in a quiz in between your funnel, the conversion seems to be increasing. Here you can select the gender or then your daily activity level. So the quiz is nicely built. As you can see, it's not a very mediocre quiz. Rather, it has been built nicely. Diet. Please select which meat you would like to be included. Pork, beef, next. The veggies, mushroom, cauliflower, asparagus. Let's click other foods, nuts, cheese. Your measurement, age 30, height 170, 72, let's say 65. Let's see how the quiz is and what kind of results they give. Your 60-day personal keto diet. As you can see, this quiz is not very difficult to make. It's a fairly straightforward quiz. You can easily find such quizzes online, and they can easily be built using a developer, which can be found on Fiverr, on an Upwork. Here it shows you the daily calorie intake, the fats intake. So they're trying to deliver more value to you so that you can trust the offer more. This also helps in increasing the conversion. Some testimonials of people who did it, some of the features, what you get. So this is giving a basic overview of what you get from the program. Get it now. You enter your name and email, get your custom keto diet. So this is somewhat the landing page, a basic funnel for this offer. Let's look at the product information. So what is included in this particular program is a brand new product. One other thing that you can do is look at the reviews of this particular program. Let's look at reviews, whether we have good or bad reviews for it. Okay. Keto custom plan. This is customketodiet.com. So as you can see here, it is custom keto diet review. Let's see what they have written. The website doesn't look to be very trustworthy. I think it's created by an affiliate, and rather they are writing the review just to get the affiliate commission. Let's see whether they have the affiliate link of the product or not. Try the custom keto diet. As you can see in the bottom left corner, it's an affiliate link. So the person who has written this review on Google, you can't really rely on it, because since he's getting an affiliate commission out of it, he must have written some good reviews or some good things about it to get more conversions, so that a person like you who might be searching for reviews, so people who are cautious, they will be looking at the reviews of this program. So they will be writing XYZ program review on Google, and then going through this review, they will find, okay, some good things are said about the program by this person. Here you can see he has already written that he will earn a commission if you make a purchase from this link. So if you click this link and purchase the program, this guy will be making an affiliate commission. So this is why I don't really trust Google when it comes to reviews, unless and until the reviews are coming from some really trustworthy or unbiased resources. It's very hard for a beginner or a person who's not a marketer to understand the quality of the product. Let's see whether this keto custom plan, this doesn't seem to be the program that we are searching for. Okay, here we have a scam alert, custom keto diet. Let's check this page, what they're saying. It says why custom keto should be avoided. You can go through this review and see whether the program is actually good or bad. So these are a few of the basic steps that you can do before selecting a program for promotion. This is the reason why I don't really promote the ClickBank stuff. I won't say that all the programs or the products are fake or scammy, but it's just that I try to stay away from any program which might be harmful to anyone, because as you can see, it's a keto diet. So someone will be following the diet, they might be taking some food, and when you're adding something in your body, it can lead to some harmful effect. So I'll rather promote something which is loved by everyone, like I promote a hosting company or SEMrush. I love SEMrush. That's the reason I promote it, because it's a software that is loved by almost all the SEO pros in the industry. On the first impression, the program doesn't look very attractive. Here you can see the banners. You'll get all the banners that you can use. If you're thinking of running the display banners or display ads, then you can use these banners. So you don't even have to create such banners in Canva, or you don't have to hire graphic designers to create banners to promote this program. Almost all the programs or services you'll be promoting will be coming with such graphics. Here you can download the social media packs for the promotion if you're thinking of promoting this program on social media. The lead magnets. If you have seen our email marketing course, then you know what a lead magnet is. Landing pages. So you can download the sales page if you want to upload it on your own server. Videos, media buyers. I also searched the program name on YouTube just to see whether someone has made a video regarding this or not. Here we have a video on custom keto diet affiliate program, so this won't be beneficial for you. Maybe he has covered something, but usually all these people, they create this review because people like us or people who are thinking of promoting this program will be searching for it, and then they will be earning the affiliate commission. So you really can't rely on all the goody stuffs that are said about the program. As you can see here, here's the second video, custom keto diet. If you click here, you have a person who might be saying some good or bad things, I'm not really sure, but they have a link here. If you click on this link here, so Hop is equal to Nico Leng. That must be the person who is promoting this particular program. So if this person is saying good things about this program and promoting this product, they are getting an affiliate commission. Then how can you really rely on what they are saying, whether it's genuine or not? Before we move on to the part of how you will be promoting these offers, let's check one last offer, research.com. And let's see, for this offer, you'll be getting $110 for conversion, and you'll be making $110 in the initial sale itself. And it also has a rebill component. So you'll be getting a recurring rebill of $27 every month if people sign up for the recurring rebilling. So add your ID here and your tracking ID and see. So I'll be adding my ID and tracking ID here to generate the hop link. So I've added some arbitrary ID here just for the video purpose. And let's check the landing page of this particular product, which is research.com. So it's more in the form of an Insta story. So I think they want the program to be promoted on Instagram stories. That's where they must be getting good amount of conversions. Tap for sound, workout complete. Okay. An interesting landing page, not like a typical landing page, but a different one. The send message is not working. Tap to resume. Let's see what comes up once this landing page. Okay, so it's a video sales letter. It's somewhat different. Scientific references, something like this. I'm not sure where the main CTA is. I think it will come once the video is completed. A necessary disclaimer here, the statement on this website have not been evaluated by Food and Drug Administration. This is used by all the program owners or because they want to protect themselves. So it becomes a legal disclaimer. This is more like a statement which is required by the US legal department so that you're not promoting anything illegal, anything which can create any kind of harm. Here also you can see that you can connect with the affiliate manager Jackie here by emailing here. So affiliate managers are extremely important whenever you're thinking of promoting any affiliate program. I won't be going through the entire landing page or the entire video because it must be a very big video sales letter convincing me to purchase the program. Don't forget guys, we will give you the list of best ClickBank offers. So make sure you like and comment on the video. And once we reach 5,000 likes and comments, I will make the link public in the video description. Even then, if you have any doubts in selecting the best offers, then comment your doubts below. I'll make a separate comprehensive video in our membership catering to all your doubts. If you guys don't know, apart from free courses we are launching, we also have a community. The link is in the description, or you can go to marketersfeed.com, click on join our community. This is an exclusive members only community. You can check the landing page, and if you're interested, you can join it. If you want to find the popularity of a particular niche, maybe you're not really sure whether the niche is right for you or not. So all you have to do is search for Google Trends. Click on the first link and search for your target keyword. Your target keyword could be anything. Let's say if you want to see the popularity of intermittent fasting. Let's see how the popularity of intermittent fasting has grown over the years. For the last 12 months, as we have selected 12 months, you can see the intermittent fasting trend has seen a decline in last year. But as always, whenever the new year comes, people make new resolutions and the health and fitness industry sees a huge boom whenever the new year arrives. That's why you'll see a huge uptick in the interest of intermittent fasting in the first week of January. But then again, it has been very steady. If you want to check the trend for last 5 years, you can also do that. Here you can see that after 2016, the trend for intermittent fasting has increased by a significant margin, but it seems to have been on a declining trend. It saw a peak in 2019 and 2020. Instead of focusing on declining trends, you should always promote something which has an new acceptance and more people are interested about it, and it has an upward going graph. You can also compare multiple trends like intermittent fasting. Let's say if you want to compare it with keto diet. Let's see how intermittent fasting is comparing to keto diet in the last 5 years. We can see both of them have seen a gradual decline, and keto diet was fairly popular in 2018 and 2019. Maybe that's the reason these are called fad diets. Fads don't usually stick for multiple years. They usually die within months. Let's search for another term. Let's search for NFT, as NFT has become very popular in the recent months. You can see since February, NFT has seen a huge uptick. More and more people are getting interested in NFTs, how to create them, how to sell them. So if you create or promote something related to NFT, that will be really beneficial because people are really interested in NFT related products. So this is how you can use Google Trends. Not just this, you also have multiple filters. You can also sort the results through country, geography, web search, also within the region of a particular country and the related queries along with the main top query. And this really helps you out in targeting and creating your marketing materials. I've also searched for the term affiliate marketing, and you can see in the last 1 year, it has seen a huge upward trends. And this is because more and more people are staying at home. Our work from home culture has been evolving, and the best way to make money from home is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is something that is really beneficial for people who want to create a side income or some passive income or make some money on the side. So ClickBank also comes under affiliate marketing, and this shows that affiliate marketing is here to stay. It's a growing field, and that is why we have created a complete affiliate marketing playlist. I'll highly recommend you guys to watch that as well. The link is in the description. So I think you get the idea about how to find the right product to promote for yourself. So this is how you use the ClickBank Marketplace. I already gave you a overall idea about how to use the filters, the categories, what the different terms mean, how much money you'll be making, and the affiliate area where you'll be getting all the resources on promoting a particular offer. Now let's talk about how to promote these offers. Let's say if you find a very good offer which you are very passionate about, you can relate to it, and you think you have the kind of audience, or you'll be able to generate an audience for that particular offer. Now the next steps are how to promote that offer. So guys, now let's talk about how to promote these affiliate offers. Let's say you have watched the entire video, you have also created an account on ClickBank, you have also done the necessary research on how to find the right offer which suits your personality, which suits your experience, and you have found the offer which is perfect for you. Now comes the hard question, how to actually promote the offer? See, finding the offer is the easy part, but you need to understand how to promote the offer so that more and more people purchase the product and you make the affiliate commission. In the end, that's the ultimate goal, right? So when we talk about promoting the affiliate offers, you need to understand there are many different ways that you can promote the service or the offer. Primarily, these are characterized into two different categories. There's the free promotions and the paid promotions. In my experience, I will recommend that the paid promotion is more suited for experienced affiliate marketers, people who have been in the industry for multiple years. This is because when you are paying money to drive traffic, you need to understand various variables. You need to be really good in paid media. You really need to know how to create a campaign, the kinds of creatives, the copywriting, which kind of ads to run, where to run ads, to whom to show the ads. Also, once people click on the ad, where they'll be landing, the landing pages, then there's a huge learning graph on creating the best landing page. We already have a comprehensive video on email marketing and how to create a landing page on this channel. Then if you're taking the email IDs, you need to understand how to nurture the customer, what kind of emails to send them, how to promote the offer, how to get a higher conversion rate. And in the end, you have to understand if you spend $100, how much money you're making. If after spending $100, you are making more money out of it, that means the campaign is profitable and then you can scale the campaign. But let's say if you're spending $100 and you're only making $90 back, that means that there are some loopholes in the campaign. There are some issues in the funnel and you have to optimize it. So if you're a beginner or you're just starting out the ClickBank affiliate marketing or any other affiliate marketing, then I'll highly recommend you guys to only focus on the free methods of promotion. So when we talk about free methods, there are multiple methods. You can create a niche-based Facebook group. You can create a YouTube channel. You can also drive SEO traffic. We already have a comprehensive video on SEO on our channel. And I've also covered SEO in various other videos of this channel like affiliate marketing course and the blogging course. Let's talk about my favorite free traffic source, which is SEO, which is search engine optimization. If you search for any keyword, let's say I search for keto diet, then keto diet becomes the keyword. On the Google search results page, you will find multiple ads. Companies and people are paying Google to run ads on the target keyword. We already have a very comprehensive video on running Google ads. I'll recommend you guys to watch that video as well. The link is in the description. After the ad section, you have the organic results. Here you'll see the advert is not along with the link. So any people who are searching for keto diet on Google and then clicking on the organic result, then this become a free traffic for this website. So if you have a keto diet related product, then targeting a keyword like keto diet will be extremely beneficial for you. Let's say if you're promoting a course on learning keto diet, then here a beginner's guide to keto will be a perfect supplement to sell the course. Because people who are the beginners in ketogenic diet, they will be going through all this information. And if they want to learn more, they can click on the link and they can then land on the landing page. And if they are interested, then few of the people will convert on the ClickBank offer. To becoming good with SEO, we already have a very comprehensive video on learning SEO. I'll recommend you guys to watch that video as well. But primarily you'll require one tool. Go to marketersfeed.com, our website. Go to the My Tools section. Once you scroll down, you'll find a tool called SEMrush. Now SEMrush is the best SEO tool out there in the market. I've been using it for multiple years. With this tool, you'll be able to do the pro competitive research. If you use my special affiliate link, then you'll be eligible for a free trial. You can click on the link and sign up for SEMrush for the free trial. I already have the account, so I'll be logging into it. So this is how the dashboard of SEMrush looks like. So if I want to gauge how much traffic this particular URL is getting, all I have to do is copy the URL, add the URL here, remove the extra part, just keeping the URL, and click on domain overview. Let's select exact URL here because we only want to judge the traffic on this particular URL. Here you can see that this article is driving 1.4 million visitors. So that's massive. And these are all the keywords for which this URL is driving the traffic, like keto diet, keto, what is keto diet, and the volumes associated with each keyword. Now this might sound very easy, that you will be able to get a website ranked on Google and drive millions of people to your article and then promote your ClickBank offers. But honestly, this is much more complicated, and SEO is something which requires a lot of expertise and knowledge. If you see our entire free SEO course, then you will know that SEO takes time. Also, targeting a very difficult keyword like keto diet is not recommended, because if we click on the top organic keywords, you can see the keyword difficulty. KD means keyword difficulty, and the KD here is 91. This is a metric out of 100, and higher the number, the difficult it is to rank your article or website for the target keyword. 91 is extremely difficult. Also, Headline is a very popular website and a very trusted website as well. If you check the similar web traffic of this website, you'll see 339 million people are visiting this website every month. So this shows it's a very big authority. I'm not recommending you guys to start targeting very massive keywords like keto diet, but yes, you might be able to find some long tail keywords. You can research more about long tail keywords using the tool SEMrush. I've shown how to use this tool in a very comprehensive way in our free SEO tool and also in our affiliate and blogging course. So if you want to create and rank a website and make consistent income, then you can watch our affiliate marketing course and blogging course, where I've shown you how to start and scale an affiliate marketing website. The best part about building a website is that you don't only make money from the affiliate offers from ClickBank, but you'll be able to make money in multiple ways. You'll be able to show display ads, you'll be able to promote other affiliate offers, you can do sponsorship, paid post, you can create a newsletter, sell your own course. There are just too many ways of making money or monetizing a blog or an affiliate website. The next one is the email list. We already have a comprehensive course on email marketing on this channel. You can watch that. You can drive people to a landing page from where you can build an email list, and then you can send emails to your prospective customers by sharing the goods, the pros, cons, and good things, or emails which are beneficial for them and why they should buy the product to help them in their life. On a side note, guys, also subscribe to my podcast Marketers Feed, which brings you daily actionable digital marketing and online business lessons that I have learned and experienced over 8 years of being in this field. I know your time is valuable, hence the episodes are filled with value and also short, just under 10 minutes for easy consumption. Subscribe now, the link is in the description. Now let's go back to the video. Is that you can create an Instagram account. It could be a niche-based Instagram account. You can also write answers on Quora and then drive traffic to the offer. You can also create an account on Medium.com and start writing about the relevant topics which are related to the offer. And in that way, you can drive traffic to the offer. You can also create a Pinterest account and then gain a following and then start promoting the offer. And the last way, you can create a TikTok account. You can find a new unique angle, an angle which integrates your product with the kind of videos you are making and then promote the offer. So let's go into each free traffic source and understand how you can do it. Here I have taken the example of keto diet. Let's say you have selected an offer on ClickBank which is related to health and fitness and specifically the keto diet. Keto diet has been fairly popular among the last few years. I'm not sure whether it's a fad or not, but a lot of people are following the keto diets and getting good results. And let's say if you are promoting an offer which is related to keto diet, then you can create a Facebook group. All you have to do is go to your Facebook account, search for keto diet or keto, and click on the groups icon here. Here you will find all the popular keto diet related groups. You can see most of these groups have 60k members, 66k members, 283k members. So this shows that keto is a fairly popular niche and a lot of people are searching for it. Let's take the example of this group. It has almost 500,000 members. It's related to keto recipes, low carb recipes, keto diet, how to live a keto lifestyle, etc. So if you have an offer which is directly related to keto on ClickBank, then it's a fairly straightforward integration for you to promote such offers to your audience. I know it sounds very simple, but trust me, it's not that easy. If you're opening a Facebook group, then the growth won't be very fast. Let's see a few of these groups. So I've opened 3 groups here. Keto diet for beginners. Let's see, it's a private group. That's good. What I've seen in my experience is that the public groups tend to get unwanted people in the group. So you only want to make the group private and drive traffic that way. So only people who are actually related to keto diet will be entering the group. You can also create a questionnaire for all the members who are trying to join your group. This helps in the filtering process of the members and you only get quality members in your group. Like when I click here, join group, you get a list of questions. Let's keep this a helpful group. Do you agree not to post spam? Because most of the Facebook groups face the problem of a lot of spam in their group. And they try everything so that spammers don't enter the group. Because the quality of the group is dependent on the quality of people and the quality of interactions that are happening in the group. So by creating a questionnaire really helps you in filtering out all the people who are not related to the group or people who are not a good fit. Also, one thing that you can see that the group is United States based. Groups that are created in a developed country like United States, Canada and UK are much more important, much more valuable than a group that is created in a developing country like Philippines, Bangladesh, etc. This is because the purchasing power of a customer is much more higher in a developed country compared to a developing country. The group has 284k members, and the daily activity of the group is also a good metric on how the group is performing. Here you can see that 37 new posts in a day. Looking at the number of members it has, like 284k members, so the number of new posts are not that high, but also not that bad. Honestly, in what I have seen in the last few years is that the Facebook group activity has started to decline because not many people are actually active on Facebook. Although Facebook is spending a lot of marketing dollars on the promotion of their groups feature, because people are moving away from Facebook to other platforms. But group is something because it gets a community aspect. So people are more likely to open Facebook if they are a part of a very engaging group. Even if you think that you don't want to create a group of your own, then you can be a part of all these groups and start telling them about how your keto journey has been, what are the benefits and what you have learned in your keto life, and only then try to promote the links, because most of the group admins are looking for meaningful conversation in their groups. So they don't want anyone to promote any affiliate link. But if you're adding a lot of value in the group and if you know that the product you are promoting is actually good, that once you have established your credibility and authority in a group, only then you can take a permission from the admin, okay, that I have been an active member of the group, I have provided a lot of value, and this is the program that has helped me a lot, and I would want to promote this program on your Facebook group. Then it's the decision of the admin whether he wants to let you promote the link or not. So this free traffic channel of Facebook groups, don't think that you'll be able to get hundreds or thousands of sale per day, because it's not a very scalable traffic channel. Also, you have to put in a lot of effort and a lot of time to build the credibility. And even then you won't be able to get a lot of sales out of it. So similar to Facebook group, you can also create a niche-based Instagram page. So Instagram also has a lot of niche-based pages. It could be based on luxury watches, diamonds, luxury living, keto life, healthy lifestyle, workout, relationship, business. You can create an account on any of the niche and start developing an audience. Let's take the example of this luxury watch club. It has 25k followers and it is driving traffic to this diveswatches.com. Either it must be an affiliate or they must be retailing it. Here you can see that each of the posts is getting around 2000 or 5000 likes on average. Let's check the engagement percentage for this particular account. So 5000 like for 25,000 followers. So this particular account is getting 20% engagement. That is very high for any Instagram account. Usually the engagement on Instagram posts ranges in the range of 5 to 15%. So 20% is really high. So that means the audience that are following this account are highly engaged. So the probability of them buying these luxury watches or whatever they are selling, it could be accessories or anything related to luxury watches. So the conversion rate will increase. Let's check this particular account, Keto Diet, keto_personal_diet. It's a verified account. It has 1.5 million followers. And let's see where they are driving the traffic to. Okay, this is the perfect example. The offer we saw earlier, they are driving the traffic back to this offer. So it's a ClickBank offer. And again, it's a quiz, the one that we saw earlier. Let's check the engagement on this account. Here you can see that this particular post has 1000 likes, 4000 likes, 1500, 5000, 2000. So on an average around 2500 likes per post. Let's check the engagement on this particular account. So this particular account is getting 2500 likes and they have around 1.5 million followers. So they are getting an engagement of 0.16%. So that is very, very, very low for an average Instagram account. So what this shows is that most of the followers of this account are paid followers. So they might have bought it, and all these followers are not real. So they might have bought some fake followers to show authority. 1.5 million followers are actually of no use because most of the followers are not engaging with this, the content they are posting, and they won't be buying the stuff. But then again, whatever few people are actually engaging, there are chances that they will be clicking on the link in the bio here. They will be going to this page, they might be taking the quiz and then end up purchasing the product, and this particular account holder will then make a commission. Few good things about the account is that they have some really good brandable images here, really good vectors. So they have good story structure. The images are also decent looking. I won't say they are the best. We will also be launching a comprehensive Instagram course very soon on this channel. So if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now you guys must be thinking, okay, I will create an account, but how will I actually gain the followers? We will be covering all of this in our upcoming Instagram course, but I'll give you a summary. So there are multiple strategies on how you can gain the followers. First of all, you have to provide high quality content. Then you have to use the right hashtags. You can run giveaways. Giveaway is a nice technique to get the instant boost of followers. You can create Instagram stories. Instagram reels are getting massive reach these days. So there are different strategies on how you can create the perfect reels. And that way you can drive people to your Instagram account and make them into a followers. So we'll be covering all of that in our Instagram course. So make sure you subscribe to learn all of that. Do you know you can also refer our free courses and earn exciting rewards? To know more, check the refer and earn link in the description. The next free traffic source is Pinterest. Pinterest is a very popular website. Here you can see the website is driving 1.1 billion visitors per month. And most of the traffic is coming from United States. Pinterest is known for their female-centric audience. So you'll find that the male to female ratio is highly skewed towards the female audience. So anything that is related to decoration, craft, home, fitness converts really well on Pinterest. We will be coming up with a free Pinterest course on our YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe to understand all the Pinterest strategies. But to give you in a summary, Pinterest is again focused more on towards benefiting the user. I'll give you a brief summary on how to exploit any channel, be it Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Quora, YouTube, etc. It's all about benefiting the platform. See, every platform wants to make money. And if you'll help them make money, they will promote you the most. So like on YouTube, YouTube makes money when people watch ads. So if you have a longer video, the chances of the visitor watching more ads is higher. That's why YouTube is promoting videos which are 10 minutes or longer. That's why you will see all the top creators are making longer videos, because YouTube gives you the feature to insert more ads if your videos are longer. So if you have a longer video which actually drives value, so it doesn't mean that you'll only be making a longer video. You also have to drive value. So if people are watching your entire video and the video is longer, they are more likely to watch more ads, and hence YouTube makes more money. And that is the reason YouTube will promote you more. Similarly for Pinterest, Pinterest wants the people to stay on their platform and watch more ads. And that will only happen if you provide more value. And value in the form of the content that you are pinning, the content that you are promoting. And also you have to create a niche. So let's say if your account is about keto diet, then don't start posting stuff about guitar learning or anything else. It has to be highly relevant. Here you can take the example of this motivation fat loss. They have 6.9k followers and 1 million monthly views. And they are linking to sheddingrawfat.blogspot.com. And they also have this handle, most probably it's Instagram handle. Here you can see that the niche is about motivation fat loss. So it's primarily related to losing weight. So you'll see that all the pins they have added is related to fitness, losing weight, workout, etc. And also you can see that they have a variety of pins, and mostly they are of video type, because in the recent years, all the platforms are pushing anything that is related to video, because video shows much higher engagement than a photo post. The best way to find out what kind of content you should post on your Pinterest is to look at the top accounts, because they have all the analytics, they have the marketing managers working with them to understand the algorithm and only post the content that is showing the highest engagement. Similarly, let's check few other accounts that are related to keto diet. Here you can see this particular pin. This account is Stay Snatched, and let's see, they have 121,000 followers. So they are promoting their website. It's staysnatched.com. So Instagram handle, health focused blog, nutritious recipes. And I think she is doing a lot of personal branding because she is showing her face. The video quality is high. And they are promoting their own recipes, I guess. So it must be a recipe related blog. Again, you can see that the photos are highly brand driven. They are following a particular color scheme, particular font, high close-up shots. And since they have 121k followers, that means this is what the audience like. And they're adding a lot of stories type of content. As you can see, southern macaroni salad. Cook the pasta, add in ingredients and pasta to bowl. Stir, chill, serve and enjoy. So in just few clicks, she has been able to drive a lot of value to the visitor. So if I was interested in this particular salad or pasta, I got a lot of value because in just few pics, I was able to understand how this pasta is or salad is made. Again, I clicked one of the pin. Here you can see low carb yum. She has 454k followers. She also has a website called lowcarbyum.com. She is driving traffic from Pinterest to her website. Here she is driving traffic to her website, lowcarbyum.com, keto peanut butter balls, a list of ingredients, making it easier for the visitor, cook time, because this is important metric for anyone who is thinking of creating whatever she is making. Low carb keto peanut butter balls. So all the important information in the summary. And if I find this useful, it's very normal for me to start following the account. Because if I'm interested in this, I will be following her account just to know what she'll be posting later in the future. So I gave you an example of keto diet. Whatever your niche is, whatever the product you are thinking of promoting, you can start studying other popular Pinterest channel and see what strategy they are using, the kind of content they are posting, and start pinning. And also subscribe to our channel because we will be launching a comprehensive Pinterest course on our channel very soon. You can easily create these images on canva.com, that too for free. So you can go to canva.com. It's a free website. It's one of the most popular websites for graphic designers or even anyone who is thinking of creating beautiful looking graphics without any knowledge of Photoshop or investing in expensive softwares. The website is fairly popular. You can see 205 million visitors per month. The next free traffic channel is Quora. On Pinterest, you are able to drive hundreds and even thousands of visitors to your offer. But on Quora, you won't be able to drive that much traffic because you first have to create a unique brand. You need to invest a lot of time because you need to write the answers. It's more like a Reddit type of replica. So the next free channels are Reddit and Quora. On Quora specifically, you can find all the questions that are trending and then you can add your own unique perspective, your own story. So let's say if you are promoting an offer which is related to keto diet, then you can create an account and find the keto related questions like what is keto diet, is ketogenic diet good for weight loss, and all the relevant questions, and then create an answer and add to the question. So if the audience is able to get some value out of your answer, if they are able to relate to your story, they will be upvoting your answers. And the more upvotes you get, the more popular your answer will become and it will reach new audience. I won't really recommend Quora as a free traffic channel because you have to invest a lot of time. You have to write unique answers and the probability of your answer becoming popular or you gaining a lot of followers is extremely difficult. And also it's very time consuming. Unless and until you're a very good writer with some unique angle, some fun angle, it's very difficult to gain followers on Quora. Also, you won't be able to drive much traffic to your offers to get some decent conversions. Similarly for Reddit, Reddit is fairly popular for not allowing spammers to promote their links. So to promote your links on Reddit, you'll have to be extremely cautious because whatever community you join, they will have strict spam policies. Let's search for keto recipes, keto gains, keto beginners. Let's see all the channels. You'll have to be highly active on subreddits as well as on Reddit just to show that you are the authority and you're not a spammer. You need to actively participate in the community. You need to actively engage, give your perspective, and only then you might be able to promote the links. But then again, the chances of you getting banned are higher. Also, most of the subreddits which are popular will have a no self-promotion or spam guideline, like no affiliate or referral links. So it's extremely difficult to promote the ClickBank links on Reddit. Similarly on medium.com, it's just like Quora, you'll have to write articles. You can become an authority in the space. You can create a personal brand related to keto diet or whichever category you are promoting. It could be fitness, it could be business. And then if your article gets popular, then you can drive the traffic back to the offer. Like a search for keto diet, here you can see my 4-month keto diet with intermittent fasting. This particular article got 2.4K claps. You see San Francisco as the keto diet gains popularity. So you can write articles related to keto diet and see what kind of response you are getting. But then again, it's a very slow process because you'll have to write a lot of articles. Then your chances of getting popular depends on how good you're a writer and also a lot on the luck factor and how well you're able to communicate your knowledge about keto diet or the benefits of keto diet and how people are able to resonate with your advice. So if you're a beginner, then I won't recommend using medium.com for the free traffic. Even if you get a spike in views on your articles, it's not a guarantee that you will be able to consistently maintain it. One of your article might get super popular, then you might be able to get few conversions on your offer, but getting a consistent source of traffic will be difficult. YouTube is my favorite traffic channel. You can drive a lot of traffic to your offers because the audience size is extremely high. And if you're able to crack the YouTube algorithm, if you're able to create a subscriber base, a audience, you can also build a brand on YouTube and then drive the traffic to your offers. Here I search for keto diet. You can see everything you need to know about keto diet, 6.6 million views in 2 years, a keto diet for beginners. So you can create an authority channel on keto. Maybe it could be a podcast format, it could be knowledge about keto diet, how to start as a beginner, the problems people face. You'll find many channels on keto diet as well. So you can study all these videos and understand what people are searching for when they are starting with their keto diet. and then make a list of topics. And then you can create a video series, then you can create videos regarding keto diet, and then add value in your video. Once your video starts gaining views, you can add the link in the description like this. Like for this particular video, Diet Doctor, he is I think selling a keto course. So first he's educating the audience about the basics of keto diet, and then if someone is really enthused about the keto diet and they want to become better at it, then they can join the keto course, Keto for Beginners video course. He must be selling it. Similarly, just like this guy is selling the course, you can add your links in the description and drive traffic that way. But the drawbacks of YouTube is that you have to spend a lot of money. If you are performing yourself, if you're the one who is actually coming in the video, then you'll need some video cameras, you need shooting equipments, you need a good laptop to edit the videos, then you have to upload it. But then again, the guarantee of success is low, because even if you're starting out on YouTube, it takes time to build a subscriber base. You'll have to add a lot of videos. You'll have to work a lot in creating your channel as a brand for keto diet. And I also make you cautious that YouTube audience is very sensitive towards anyone who's trying to spam them. So make sure that the offers you are promoting are actually genuine and actually adding value to your life. That is the reason I told you to work a lot in finding the right offer on clickbank.com, because finding the right offer which actually generates result is difficult. But if you're able to work on a YouTube strategy, you'll get a lot of traffic. To learn all about how to get started on YouTube, how to select the topic, how to make the videos, how to make your videos go viral, other YouTube strategies like understanding the YouTube analytics, how to drive more traffic, how to create a YouTube funnel, we will be showing you all this information in a YouTube course, which we will be launching on our channel for free in the coming months. So if you're interested in that, I'll highly recommend you guys to subscribe to my channel. Free traffic source is TikTok. Content for TikTok that can be used for Instagram Reels as well. So you will be able to repurpose the content. So TikTok algorithm again works on engagement and the kind of shock factor, the fun factor, and also the education part. So you can create a channel related to keto diet and give a lot of information related to keto. And that way you'll be able to gain the followers, and then you can promote the offer in your profile. So these are the few free traffic channels that you can use to promote your ClickBank offers. We will be creating comprehensive courses on each of the traffic channel very soon on this channel. So make sure you subscribe to the channel to get the comprehensive course and the step-by-step way of actually promoting the offers. Now let's come to the paid channels. As I told you earlier, that paid channel is not recommended for the beginners. It is recommended for people who have been in the industry for a few years, because it requires an investment, and to get the return you need a lot of experience. So the paid channels include Facebook ads, Google ads, Snapchat ads, TikTok ads, any kind of ad platform. You can also do influencer marketing. You can also do a paid email blast. You can promote your offer in various email lists. To give you a brief idea, let's start with Google ads. So let's say you search for keto diets. Here you can see. So all these are ads. I already have a comprehensive course on Google ads on our channel. So I'll recommend you guys to watch the video. Here you can see whenever someone searches for keto diets, a 28-day keto diet meal plan, 28-day keto meal plan, top 10 keto meal delivery. So you can get your ads here. But then again, you'll have to first check whether your program allows you to run Google ads or not. Because not all programs allow you to run Google ads or to bid on the branded keywords. So you'll have to talk to your affiliate manager. Running Google ads is an art, and it requires a lot of experience. So I won't recommend this for the beginners. But if you're thinking of running Google ads, then you can watch my Google ads tutorial. Here you can see the ad is landing on this particular page, Keto Body. It's in a quiz form. It could be an affiliate offer, I'm not sure. Keto Cycle. Such kind of landing pages are working for keto type offers, I guess. I won't be covering Facebook ads here because I already have a comprehensive course on how to run Facebook ads. So I'll recommend you guys to watch that video. In all, promoting ClickBank offers requires a lot of digital marketing knowledge, and that is the reason I'll recommend you guys to watch my complete digital marketing course and the affiliate marketing course, so that you are better equipped in order to get the maximum ROI of your efforts. As always, like the video and subscribe to our channel. These two steps alone are the biggest motivation for us to launch many more free courses in the future. I hope you loved the entire free course. Do you want courses worth over $1,000? Then click here to watch our free Digital Marketing Mastery course playlist, and click here to watch our free Affiliate Marketing Mastery course playlist.